This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Facebook page name on iPhone. So if you created a page and now you want to change or update your Facebook page name, just follow these simple steps to do it. Open your Facebook app, tap on your profile menu and tap on See More. Tap on Pages. All you have to need, just switch your page. Now tap on Menu at the bottom right. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Settings. Tap on Page Settings. Tap on Name. And from here you can easily change your Facebook page name. Tap on Review Changes and note one thing, if you change your name on Facebook page, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. And here we can see the current page name and new page name showing up here. Tap on Review Change. And now you have to verify your Facebook account. So enter here your account password. Tap on Save Changes and your page name will be changed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.